you have remodel needs, contact Ross's Carpentry Inc. 502-548-7462 or check us out on Facebook or YouTube. Hey, this is Ross Baldwell at Ross's Carpentry. We take care of your remodel needs inside and outside. Call us at 502-548-7462. Follow us on Facebook at Ross's Carpentry Incorporated. Okay, so today's project, we have a door here, well, two doors. They close like this. 4-foot opening on this side of the wall. We need to make the same size opening and put doors in on this side of the wall. It's really an interesting project here. We have to take this door out and expand it, widen it to 4 foot, and then later on we'll be putting doors in. Okay, so this is about a 2 to 3 hour project. We're going to start tearing the door off and the trim, and the drywall. We'll have to take a good section of that off in order to put a beam in, and we'll show you as we go. And the tools, we'll show you the tools that we use as well.
Sweet. Ross's Carpentry Inc., right?
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you come here and get your inside, outside remodeling needs done. Please.
I'm ready. So we got the frame up off this door. Here's the tools that we use, a flat bar and hammer. Very simple, and some muscles.
There we go.
So we got the drywall cut out, which was on top of the old wallpaper and the old concrete plaster on top of the old slats. That's the way they did in the old days. This is about a 200-year-old house.
Jeez Louise, these are
Plus they have the wide the full 2x4s, rough sawn timbers, studs, and so on. Okay, so we got the slats out, the old plasterboard off. We're ready to put in our studs and our header. That'll be the next thing. If you have remodel needs, contact Ross's Carpentry Inc. 502-548-7462. Check us out on Facebook.